Welcome to iThemes WordPress 101 tutorials. Today we're going to go over BackupBuddy, from setting it up to doing your first backup. Once you've purchased BackupBuddy, just log into members.ithemes.com in order to download the plugin. Just click on Downloads and then on BackupBuddy. You'll be able to download the latest version of BackupBuddy from this Members area. Once you've downloaded it, go to Plugins, Add New in your WordPress dashboard and click on Upload Plugin. Click and drag the BackupBuddy zip file to install it and click Install Now. Once the plugin has uploaded, just click the blue Activate Plugin button and you'll see the plugin activated in your dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is license BackupBuddy. So just click to select the product and enter your iThemes username and password and click License Products. You won't need to enable quick release updates unless directed to do so by support. So next you'll want to run your very first backup. Go to BackupBuddy Backup in your WordPress dashboard and you'll see this BackupBuddy Quick Setup Wizard. You can enter your email address to get backup and error notifications, create a password for restoring or migrating your backups, and select a remote destination. We recommend using either BackupBuddy Stash or Stash Live. You get 1 GB free storage space with your BackupBuddy purchase. To activate that, just enter your iThemes username and password again. Next, you'll want to select how often to schedule backups of your site. We don't recommend using a manual-only schedule simply because with BackupBuddy you can set up those schedules and let them run without ever having to double-check and make sure you don't forget to back something up. Depending on how often you make changes to your site, you can go with the starter, with a monthly complete backup and a weekly database backup, or an active blogger with the weekly complete backup and a daily database backup. You'll see a variety of backup profiles that you can run: database only, plugins only, media only, themes only, or a complete backup. It's always best to make sure you have at least one complete backup. Running that backup is as simple as clicking the profile and you'll see that backup start. The backup will proceed to give you green check marks as it works its way through each step of the backup. And as soon as it's done, you'll see the backup completed successfully message. Now you can either download that backup file or send to an off-site destination. When you've set your schedule, it will automatically take care of sending it to your remote destination. However, since this is a manual backup, we'll go ahead and click to send it over to our stash. If you want to check on the progress of that send, you can go to Remote Destinations in your BackupBuddy menu and click on Recently Sent Files. You'll see that the entire file was sent with this green success message. So now we have a complete backup of the site and it's stored safely in our stash. You can see when you log into sync.ithemes.com/stash that backup is sitting there ready for us to download and use at any point in time. And that is just how simple it is to go from setup to backup using BackupBuddy. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more great iThemes tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also check out ithemes.com/tutorials.